Hello viewers, I am Kartini Kannan and you are watching Cooking with Kartini Kannan. Today I'll be showing you a recipe which is a vegetarian version of Kangkung Belacan. This recipe was requested by one of my subscribers who is Miss Rohini Priya. Hi Rohini, I hope you are watching this video today. This is how you do a very simple, spicy and delicious vegetarian Kangkung Belacan. So come, follow me and let's cook. To do vegetarian Kangkung Belacan, the most important part is our belacan or the chili paste. Here I've used red chili, onion, garlic, dried chili, and to replace the belacan, in this I am using buah keras, what is known as candlenut. So all this I have ground into a paste like this. Here I have kangkung, or what is known as water corn volvulus. The stalks I have already cut into half, which aids for easy eating and digestion later on, and I've separated the leaves like this. Now let's look at how we are going to do our simple kangkung belacan. In a pan I'm going to add some oil. We need a little extra oil here for the chili paste to fry. Now in this heated oil we are going to add in the chili paste or the belacan. We will let this saute for a few minutes so that the raw smell of the chilies disappears and also you get an aroma. One more sign that the chili is cooked is the oil will rise to the surface, so let this cook for a while. Now that the sambal paste has cooked, as you can see, the oil has risen to the surface and also the raw aroma of the chili is gone. I'm adding in some salt and also a pinch of sugar. Give this a stir. The first thing that we have to put in will be the kangkung stalks, which has to wilt down a little. Make sure it's on high heat so that not much water is released. Give this a stir so that it wilts down. Then we'll add in the kangkung leaves. Once you add in the kangkung leaves, give it a toss along with the sambal. This will be ready in just a few minutes. Our kangkung belacan is ready and I'm going to plate it now. So there you have it, a simple, spicy, delicious vegetarian version of Kangkung Sambal. Just a few minutes to prepare this tasty dish. I do hope you try this recipe at home. For more interesting videos on vegetarian cooking, on any type of cuisine, please do subscribe to my channel Cooking with Kartini Kannan. I'll see you in the following episodes.